There is no damage that NaijaNews has not already done to the party. There is no new damage he will do to the party again. Because in 2015, I told you, his governorship ambition cost Jonathan the presidency. His governorship ambition made PDP to lose the party, to lose the government at the center. That was the major damage the FCT minister caused the party. I'm not sure there is any bigger damage he will do than this. In 2019, he did the same thing. In 2023, he organized what he called G5. The actions, the activities robbed the PDP of the presidency. There is nothing new. What is left now is for the party to sanction him appropriately. There is no new damage he will cause to the party. Anywhere he set his foot, he destroys the party. You go to Imo State, his friend, Sam Anyanwu, they have buried PDP in Imo State. You go to Abia, himself and his friend, they have collapsed PDP in Abia. You go to Benue, Autumn and Co. Even in Cross River, he sponsored Samuel Ono to contest the governorship in 2023. Everywhere he sponsored, they all lost. Before 2015, PDP was controlling nearly 30 states plus. But since Wike took over in 2015, the governorship of Rivers State, his dirty ambition. His dirty ambition made us lose this state to the PDP, to lose this state. Rotimi Amechi and Co. and other governors left for the APC. That gave the APC the success in the 2015 election. And from that 2015 till date, the fortune of PDP has been going down. From controlling nearly 30 states to just 12 states now. Has he not done enough damage to the party? He has done enough. It's for the party to pick up the pieces now, reorganize themselves, unite, and then face 2027.
How soon are we expecting that?
The process is on. There is a national reconciliation and disciplinary committee at the center. At the state level, we are about doing the same. The same will be replicated at the LGA and the world level. We will sanction Wike and sanction all those that collaborate with him to bring down PDP. PDP is not his party. I challenge him. If you are popular, Tinubu registered PDP and today is registered AD to ACN. Today is president. The Buhari came up with CPC. Today he has been president. Kwankwaso registered MPP in Kano. He's secured that state. Before now, Ojos of Kano registered PPA in Abia. He won the election there. He said Wike should float a political party in Rivers State here, and let's see how far he will go. You can't destroy what others build. Build their own. What contribution has he made to PDP? He hasn't contributed anything to PDP. Because since he became governor, the fortunes of PDP has dropped, and he keeps dropping. What has he contributed? Nothing. The party today will pick up the pieces, sanction him, and then move on.
Does he have anything to gain by destroying PDP?
It's by being servant to APC now. From being a hero in PDP to being a servant in APC. What is he doing for APC today? The party you said is cancer. That PDP is malaria. Today you are swimming inside cancer. A man that doesn't have what? No value. No conscience, no moral. The only thing he will gain by destroying PDP is the minister he is today. Other than that, APC won't give him ticket to run presidency. They won't give him. And he cannot destroy PDP, I keep saying it, because it's not instrumental to the formation of PDP. He doesn't contribute anything to the formation of PDP, and he doesn't have anything to contribute to the PDP. other than playing the dirty role he's playing. A responsible citizen doesn't play the role he's playing. A spoiler role. A spoiler role is not for responsible citizen. The role he's playing today is a spoiler role. That shows he's not a responsible citizen. If he's a responsible citizen, he won't do that.